Number one, content that normalizes the occult and witchcraft. Shows and movies that are filled with sorcery, spells, spiritism, divination, and paranormal activity. What the Bible calls abomination, the world calls entertainment. In Deuteronomy chapter 18, 10 through 11, it says, "There shall not be found among you anyone who practices witchcraft, or a soothsayer, or one who interprets omens, or a sorcerer, or the one who conjures spells, or a medium, or a spiritist, or the one who calls up the dead." In 1 Samuel chapter 15, verse 23, "For the rebellion is as the sin of witchcraft." Witchcraft is a sin. And sometimes what happens is we may say, well, I'm not going to do witchcraft. I'm just going to pay for a subscription and watch somebody do it. Or make somebody watch somebody do it as an act. Still, that is a potential open door to the demonic spirits. So turn these off if you see them. Spells, magic words being spoken, seances, or fortune telling, consulting the dead. A show that glorifies witches, vampires, demons, or spirit guides.